kami, ganun na tayo.
Sabi nga, there's always a time for everything, and this is the time to enjoy. Nag-spend tayo ng 11 months sa pagtatrabaho.
Camera, focus yung camera. Focus mo yung camera. Hindi, focus yung camera.
Enjoy it. Pag-aaral.
Ay, background. Palakpakan!
Enjoy it.
Woo!
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.